In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how you can reduce lag in Minecraft PE, aka Pocket Edition or Minecraft Mobile. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing. Lag can very much impact your gameplay, so let's go over a few steps to smooth things out. First, if you're in the game, pause it by tapping the 3-line menu icon in the middle of the screen. On the left-hand side, find Settings and then look for Video Settings, which will also be in this left-hand section. Click on that section and there's a few settings that we'd like to adjust in order to improve performance. Begin by turning off settings like Render Clouds, Beautiful Skies, and Smooth Lighting, and play your game a little to see if that helps reduce that lag. If it doesn't, you can also scroll further down in this same section until you see Render Distance, and if it's set too high, that can cause a lot of lag. Lower it to about 10 chunks, which is the recommended amount, or lower to reduce lag even more. Also make sure that max frame rate is set to unlimited. You don't want to limit it on your mobile device, especially if it can handle more. Finally, if you're still having lag issues, go ahead and click on the graphics mode and turn it to simple to reduce lag even more. From here, your game might look a little bit different. However, you shouldn't be experiencing any more major lag. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, but with these changes, you should notice a significantly smoother experience in Minecraft Pocket Edition or Minecraft Mobile. Let us know if this helped by giving the video a like and subscribing for even more tips. Have a good rest of your day. Bye bye.